welcome to a new studio vlog. To those of you who have seen my last studio vlog, if you haven't, by the way, you can check it out in the link in the upper right corner if you want to. But to those of you who have seen it, I gave a little makeover to the room that we have upstairs. So the reason that I needed some extra space is because I am collaborating with Cricut. And to those of you who may not be familiar with Cricut, Cricut is a brand that makes cutting machines, so to say. And these cutting machines are made to use at home, and they are amazing because they can cut through so many different things. They can cut through paper, through vinyl, through fabric, you name it. And the reason that I was so eager to collaborate with Cricut is because I am working on making products for my own web shop. And I want to use my Cricut mainly because I want to make stickers for you guys. And I have been using it and I have been testing it out. You will see everything about the Cricut in this studio vlog. So if you are excited, please keep watching. So September was a crazy busy month for me. I decided in September that I wanted to expand my web shop. So I have been working on that. I have been working on my website, like I said in my last studio vlog, but it has been so much work. There is a lot to making a website because you need to make new pictures for banners and new product pictures. You have to make products for your web shop to even be a web shop. So I have been working on that. Besides working on a very cool new project, which I will also tell you about. So there's lots to see. At the beginning of September, Lisa and I booked a workshop over at Pansy. We were planning on doing a workshop together for ages, but we just never did. And when Alina put up these ceramic workshops, we thought, yes, we must do this. This is amazing. We decided to go with a workshop where you could make a pot for your plant. And in the first week, Alina told us the basics of how to make a pot. And we were free to create whatever we wanted. So I decided to go with Otis his head. And Lisa made the cutest volcano. And after this, everything was ready to bake, and we would be back in another week.
Like, I am an incredibly impatient person, so I don't know why I do ceramics.
So the next week, it was time for the most fun part, as Alina called it. But to be honest, I enjoyed every second of it either way. But this part of the workshop was about the glazing.
Oh, love it. So, I don't know if you...
Alina taught us how to glaze, and we got to pick all of the colors. It was great, and this is how it turned out. These aren't the official colors yet, because after this they went into the kiln to bake, and this is the end result. We are so happy with our little creations. They turned out so cute, and it was so much fun. We can't wait to join another workshop, but due to COVID, we can't. But it's on our wish list, and we can't wait to return because, yeah, it was so much fun. And I can recommend going to Pansy for a workshop to everyone. Well, hey, it's me again. Since my head has been such a chaos, I bought a planner. I haven't had like a diary, how do you say this in English, like a planner, I guess, since I went to school, and that has been quite a while. But since 2 friends of mine bought a planner too, I thought, yes, I need this in my life. So I got a Leuchtturm. Is that how you say it? It's very hard for non-German speakers. Leuchtturm 1917 planner, and I'm very pleased with it. I will insert some clips of what it looks like now. After this, I will go and spruce things up with these Sakura Koi brush pens because I need some color in my life. So, as you may have seen in my planner, I have a lot to do today. I already worked on making a font for visages. We always use my handwriting as like titles and everything, but we need it in a font so that everyone that works there can use it. So that's very exciting and very hard to do, but we will get there. So that's one of the things that I've been working on. I also have to work on the cover of the book that I showed you earlier this vlog. I had a meeting with Sharifa, and yeah, it was so exciting because this is something that I have always wanted to make. This will be a book that's hardcover and will be decorated with like gold foil and everything, or gold, I don't know, details, let's say details, and it will be so pretty. So yeah, that's also a thing that I will have to work on today. I really want to edit my studio vlog later this evening, so so much to do in like 3 hours of time. So let's just get started, shall we? So for this new project, I had a meeting with Sharifa. She is a writer and I've worked with her before. She's wonderful and she's working on a new book called The Club van Ons, which translates to Our Club. It's a book for parents and their children to fill in. It's filled with questions and fun assignments to make together, and it's just the cutest. And Sharifa asked me to design the front cover and some illustrations for on the inside. So the front cover had to contain 2 foxes. These foxes will be highlighted throughout the book, so I will be drawing a lot of foxes and you won't hear me complain. So we decided to go for a magical, mysterious kind of vibe, and that's why I went for a dark foresty green background color. Like I said, I have always wanted to design something like this, and I'm very excited to see the end result all printed out and everything. And in the next vlog I will reveal how the cover ended up looking like, including the back of the book and a little mock-up. I'm so excited to show you this. It's going to be so pretty. You guys, I'm so happy with my Cricut Maker, I can't explain it to you. This is a little bit of how I use my Cricut. It's not very in-depth, but if you want me to make a video about how I make my stickers, please let me know, because I can, obviously. I must say that I was kind of intimidated to use this machine, but it's so easy, it's insane. There are loads of tutorials and everything is explained so well, so I made my stickers in a heartbeat. Honestly, the hardest part was figuring out what type of sticker paper to use, and I figured that out. So the rest was a breeze, and I had so much fun making my very first stickers. I have to say the most fun part is peeling off the sticker paper from the mat and separating all of the stickers and piling them up into sticker sets. It's so satisfying. But yeah, I can recommend this machine to basically anyone who loves doing creative projects. You can do so much with this, and well, I use it for my stickers, but I plan on making so much more because there are endless options and possibilities. And for my fellow Dutch people, the Cricut is now available in the Netherlands too. They have a Dutch website, so if you are interested, please go and have a look because this thing is amazing. Okay, so if you love ASMR, please turn up your volume and listen to this because this is so satisfying. Enjoy! I'm sorry, I just had to. We'll go back to normal volume in 3, 2, 1. Hey, it's me again. Oh my god, my glasses are reflecting like everything. I am contemplating on getting like contact lenses again because this would be so much easier recording the light. But anyways, that's not what I wanted to talk about. I'm just very excited and I need to show you this because as you may be able to see, we have like a china cabinet and it's so pretty. It arrived yesterday. I got this from my boyfriend for my birthday and I love it so much. So I wanted to show you some clips of what it looks like because it just makes everything look so much more cozy in our little home. And I don't know, it's just gorgeous. We were planning on getting an IKEA china cabinet, but it was sold out. So since that one was all sold out, we decided to search for places that sell like second-hand furniture and cabinets and closets. And we came across a place in Amsterdam, the north of Amsterdam, called Van Dijk & Co. and it's amazing. So we found this closet and it comes all the way from Hungary. Also a nice thing about buying a real wooden closet, you can always change up the color. So in the long run, it's really something that you will keep forever and can change up forever. Okay guys, so that was it for this vlog. I really hope you liked watching. Please leave a comment if you did, because I love reading comments and replying to them. So yeah, I would love to hear from you. I'm so sorry for the inconsistent posting that I've been doing, but like I said, I really have to get back into the swing of things and not overthink everything, because I just know that you love what I put up either way. I'm just way too hard on myself regarding this channel and my work and everything, so please remind me to just post wherever and whenever I want to because this has been very hard. Okay, so before this video gets too long, because I have the tendency to talk too much, I'm just going to wrap things up. I have a little ghost sticker that will probably be online soon. Look at him. It's not cut properly, but I'm working on that. I really hope yeah, that you like this video and that you will be back for the next one. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!
Better job.